What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Okay, so give me an update. How'd you feel after the last visit?
Awesome.
Okay. How's this feel over there? Is it terrible or what?
Yeah, that's pretty terrible.
Let's see. Is there any tenderness here in the SI joint? How about the right side? Any tenderness there?
Yeah, not as bad as the left. It feels
Left SI joint. This here. Your muscles are pretty tense over here on this left side. And go to this L5, sacrum. Nothing too bad. Any headaches, neck pain?
No. My thumb. I think I'm getting carpal tunnel from my phone.
Mm-hmm.
Like if I was on my phone too much, like one day of the week, it'll like affect me for a couple days.
All right. We'll look at your thumb. We'll get that adjusted, but ultimately you should start swiping. So, talk to type is a thing. It's not there yet, but completely. And Siri doesn't always know what you're saying, but swiping is an option. Talking to text is an option. All right, let's take a look, Emma. Go ahead and lay down on your belly. Here, lift your chin just a little bit. Good. How does that feel comparatively to the other?
Yeah, that feels better.
That's better, okay. Okay, I'm going to straighten you out on the table. Okay. Go ahead and lift your left leg up in the air. Good, down. Right leg. Good, down. Was it harder on one side than the other?
I think harder on the left.
Okay. That suggests this side.
Yeah.
You do on this side.
Yeah. I don't know what.
Right side. Is that tender?
Yeah.
What about this? Is
Yeah, that's actually more
more?
tender.
Here.
Not too much.
Go down. Right side up. Go down. I'm going to replace this one here. Good. Okay, Emma, you ready to get adjusted?
Mm-hmm.
Breath again, do it again. Good, and out. Good, sinking in, perfect. Good, and out. Good, sink, shoulders, let go. That's pretty good. Okay, same thing. So this time we push at the top of the breath. So you're going to breathe all the way in, and then as you breathe out, just let your shoulders relax with your breath. So take a deep breath in. Now let it all go. Back as you blow it out. Good, come all the way down. Let your head relax on the thing. Good, just sink in. Let your back relax now. Good. Elbows in. As you blow it out. Breathing. Good. Good. right, I'm gonna bend the top leg here, bottom leg is straight. Good. I'm gonna scoot you forward just a little bit like this, and your hip down just a little bit more. There's more in there. Hold on. Good. Good. Lay on your back. Just relax. Good. We're gonna bring the hip down like this. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. We're gonna bring the shoulders up. Good. A little bit more. Good. Let the hips relax. Good. One more time. It's right there. I'm gonna just skip the rest of this. Good. Good. Lay on your back. Good. Nice and gentle breathing. Good. Let this sink. Good. Breathing softly, softly. Let it out softly. Let your head and shoulders completely go. Good. Okay, now one on the left. Let your head drop in. Good. Shoulders, hips, letting it all sink. Good. Nice and flexible here. Good. Little push. Okay, nice gentle pull for the ankle here, just in this direction like that. One more time, it's right there. What?
I felt like it was there too.
It is, it's right about there. We'll go back to that. Okay, we'll start with the organs of digestion. The ileocecal valve here in between the belly button and the ASIS. Good. Yours is pretty good. It's empty. What's the last time you ate?
Probably 4 hours ago, but I only ate like a half a bagel.
4 hours ago, half a bagel. The sphincter is clear. I don't think I've ever said it like that. I don't know why. It was funny too. All right, I'm going to do a diaphragm release here. Good, nice deep belly breaths. Good. Good. Let your elbows on the table. That's good. One more time. In breath. Good. Keep your teeth together. Good. Shoulders and chin. Let your chin relax. Oh. Damn.
How'd you know it was this one?
I don't know if you signaled it earlier or if you said it, but actually, I asked surprisingly, is this the one? Because the left one is the one that was weak.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm right-handed.
But often, sometimes your handedness doesn't preserve dominance because, like, you need your handedness for more finite things,
Yeah.
like writing. You know what I mean? You don't need to be stronger. So being one side dominant means you're better coordinated in that side, but not necessarily stronger. Just relax. Good. Oh, it's in there. Hold on. Relax both your arms. Good. Relax. Relax.
Is that a pressure point?
Yeah. Good. 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 Sit up straight here. Good. Let this relax. Down. Let this one relax too. Good, loose.
Oh.
Cool. Sounds like we knocked some stuff loose up here.
Yeah.
Good. Well, let's work on your sinuses and your cranial.
Okay.
I like your little skunk mark here.